Alrighty, missing hiker. Let's go. December 11th, 1994. My brother Ethan is missing for around 24 hours. He went on a hiking trip near the Red Mountain. He should have come home yesterday. I went to the local police. They said they don't have the resources for a search right now. So I decided to take matters into my own hands. Yes, sir. Oh, am I driving this? Hey! Okay. Wait, this is tough.
他们你所有看到的，我该。我嘞
Oh, I see something up there. Seems to be a gas station. Oh, another car. Oh, there's actually things here. Is that a gas station? Okay. Let's park right here. Yep. Oh. Okay. Bro, we got flashlights? Okay, I see the whip. Okay. Some light. Okay. Where's the cashier? No, what's this guy doing? Hi, sir. What do you want? I'm searching for my brother. He went missing while hiking in this area. Sorry to offend you, pal, but that's not my problem. Wow! Nah, I'm killing him. Surely. Also, you shouldn't randomly approach people like this, especially in this area. What do you mean? Hey, look, man. I worked pretty late. I just want to grab some snacks and beers and drive home. I'm not in the mood to talk with people. I don't know. I understand. Sorry for bothering you. Okay, well, bro, I was just asking. That scared me. I was just asking the question. All right, sir. What can I do you for, sir? I'm searching for my brother. He was hiking around this area. He should have come home yesterday. Have you seen him? How does your brother look like? He has brown hair and is pretty tall. He also has a green backpack. Let me think for a second. Yes, I think I saw your brother. He came in here and bought a few things, some water and a few snacks. You're trying to find him? Have you told the police already? Yes, I did in fact. But they said they don't have the resources for a search right now. They said they only start a search if a person is missing for more than 48 hours. It isn't the first time someone went missing in this area. At least a handful of at least a handful of people went missing there in the last decade. People talk a lot. I've heard rumors that there are strange screams and weird noises coming from the woods. So you should be careful, especially going there at this time of night. There's a road right behind the gas station leading to the mountain. Make sure to stay on it. There could be dangerous wildlife in that area. Thanks. I'll make sure to stay safe. Take care. Okay. Well, should we buy anything? Bro, do I have to walk? Oh, nah. Oh, I am not a fan right now. I am very scared at the moment. Yo, I'm uneasy as fuck right now. I don't like this at all. There's a tent. Should we go see if it's my brother? My brother's tent looks entirely different. I should still take a closer look. Hello? What the fuck? Oh shit, what the fuck? That scared me. Whoa, who the fuck are you? You scared the shit out of me. I scared you. I almost had a heart attack myself. What do you want? I hope you're not some kind of pervert or creep. I'm not. I'm searching for my brother. He was hiking in this area. Have you seen him? Nope, I haven't seen him. Wait. You don't even know how he looks like. Look, man, I'm just some guy that likes to hike in the woods and sleep in a tent in freezing conditions. I haven't seen anyone in days. I understand. You're planning to go deeper into the forest? Yes, I'll search around the area. I hope I can find my brother, or at least traces of him. Look, you'll probably think I'm a stoner or something, But last night, I had my tent a bit up north, and I heard weird noises coming from the woods. It sounded like a child was crying, but I didn't see anything. It creeped me out. Maybe it was a cryptid. A what? Look, man, do you carry? What do you mean? I'm talking about a piece.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
You know, something for protection. You mean a gun? No, I don't. Then you shouldn't be here in the first place. It's way too dangerous to go deeper into the forest at night. But I'm not going to stop you. I just want to sleep now. Also, one last thing. Don't creep up a tent in the woods at night ever again. I almost would have shot you. Well, I guess I'm glad you didn't. Me too. Good luck with the search. Dude, that sent shivers down my fucking... That scared me so bad. Okay, I guess we're just gonna keep going forward. Up north, they say. Oh, I can't tell if it's getting... I think it got darker. Yo, I'm shitting bricks right now. It got real quiet. I am not fucking with this right now. Bro was asking if I carried a piece. That's hilarious. It's getting really cold. I should set up my tent on the left side of the road. Like what, right here? My fingers are pretty numb. It's hard to build the tent. Press E to enter tent. Hey, it's a cozy place. It's cold, but I'm falling asleep slowly. I gotta hear the noises. Yeah, I think I heard someone scream. Not sure if it was real or imagined. I need to check. It could be my brother screaming for help. See, this is like what you wouldn't do in this scenario. I don't even know. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I don't like how he's screaming. This is scary. I hope I wasn't supposed to... I hope I wasn't supposed to, like, follow a path or anything. I'm kind of just going straight to him. Looks like a cabin. Dude, I'm tweaking myself out right now. I'm very scared. Very scared. What is this? Yeah, definitely looks like a cabin. What? Oh my god, stop. No, no. Our flashlight isn't gonna do this. Oh, no way. Weird, the backpack is completely empty. Nothing in here. Yeah, that is weird that your brother's backpack has nothing. Anything over here? Are we going in the place? Okay. Yoo-hoo! Sorry to, intrude. Uh. Yo. Your brother was butchered. What the hell? Someone made a picture of my tent and my car? Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Shut the door, shut the door, shut the door. Dude. Are we not gonna talk about this? Can I do th- Can I pick this up by any chance? No? I'm trying to turn the thing on. It won't let me. Oh, that's really dark. I'm trying to turn on this generator. I think it needs gas, no? There's blood here. Am I tweaking? Is someone outside? Is somebody? Is somebody outside? Oh my god. Somebody's outside. We're not gonna talk about that? There's somebody outside. Oh my god. Holy fuck. That scared the absolute... Your body was never found. What? That scared the shit out of me, bro. No way, right?